Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create a zoom out effect on DaVinci Resolve 19. So it's super simple. Right now we want to bring a clip down to the timeline, release it, and you'll be able to work with it. Now what we want to do is have this clip selected and then go up to Inspector, and we're going to click on Video and be on the Transform settings. So initially what we have to do to create a zoom out effect is a zoom in. So what we're going to do is zoom in on this subject as much as possible, like this. And now what we're going to do is click on a keyframe. Right at the zoom, we're going to click on this little emblem right here, and it's going to turn red. That means that the keyframe has been activated. Now what we're going to do is bring the player head over relatively to the end of the clip. And now we're going to go back to zoom and zoom out of the subject. So we'll go right here. And now the keyframe is already active, so we don't have to press it again. And what we can do is come back to the player head and view this. And that's how you create a zoom out effect on DaVinci Resolve 19. Guys, if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.